crazy. That's what happens, baby. When you put it down, you shouldn't give it to me good like that. Shouldn't hit it 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 like that.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Qui, and Qui is actually filming this video. Hi. So on today's video, we really wanted to do just something quick and easy. But if you are new here, welcome, and all of our loyal subbies, what is going on, you guys? On this channel, we do everything luxury, beauty, fashion, and of course, we do sprinkle some hair tutorials here and there. And as you guys can see, I am looking like a wild lioness. So of course, I am 100% natural, and I have been going heat-free for 2 months now. Since this whole quarantine, I haven't been putting any heat on my hair, and I've been doing a lot of quick, easy, and affordable hairstyles. So today, that's what I'm going to show you guys. So I am going to be showing you how to do this Organique ponytail, and this is in the beach curl, and it's like 28 inches. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. So this is the ponytail. This is, of course, a drawstring ponytail, and I really do like these. Like, I was looking on the Shake and Go Organiques, like the website, and they do have this to where it is a wraparound, but I can't get my hands on that one. So if you can either get the drawstring or the wraparound. So we are just gonna go ahead and get this thing started. So the first thing that you do want to do is just do like a base for your hair, and the gel that I use is the Eco Styler gel. Oh, and I forgot to mention to you guys that my hair is freshly washed, and I did just blow it out. I didn't put like a straightener or anything to it. I just blow dried it a little bit straighter. Just because my curls, my natural hair, my curls were super tight, and it's so hard to put it in a ponytail. So this is what I did. So you just want to make sure you got a secure ponytail, and I like to have my ponytails at the top of my head. I feel like they are just, ooh, they just be looking so good when it's to the side. You can definitely do it to the back also, but I like it to the side. Okay, so what I like to do with my hair, since it is on the thicker side, what I like to do is slightly pull it through. So to make like a little knot right here. Like if I were to pull all of this hair through to make the bun, it'll be super huge, and it will make my ponytail really big at the top, but I don't want that. So I just pull a little bit through, and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist the rest of this sleeve out.
Baby, I love you, I need you here with me all the time.
Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So with this, I just have one of these paper wraps. So what this is gonna do is just hold down my edges. So this is the key to having edges that's gonna last all day. And so you just put it on. And the good thing that I really like about this is it comes off very easily. Okay, so we have the drawstring ponytail, and I absolutely love this hair pattern. It actually matches my natural hair pattern. And so you do have the combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, along with the little string. And so I'm gonna go ahead, even though I'm wearing this to the side, I'm still gonna place it going to the front.
Shouldn't hit it like that. Shouldn't hit it like that.